Right, now we are able to continue with our WordPress installation. We have uploaded all the files using FTP to the web server, and we're basically ready to start step 6. So basically we've completed step 5, which was to upload the WordPress files to our web server. They, in our example, went into a subdirectory called WP. So we had our website, which was creatingvibranthealth.com, with then a subdirectory WP rather than blog. So now we're ready to run step 6, which basically says you access this folder here, WP admin /install.php, and we need to do that within the folder that we had created. So in fact it'll be within the domain name /WP /WP admin /install.php. So let's basically do that now for this particular website. So I have creatingvibranthealth.com /WP /WP-admin /install.php. So the script is now running for the installation, and it says there is no WP config file, which we know because we didn't create one. We left out step 3, if you remember. So let's create one. And it says, right, we need to make sure you know your database name, user name, password, and the host, and a table prefix. So again, we have made a note of all those things, as I said, and if you haven't, go get them now from your database setup. And let's hit let's go. So database name is whatever you have been given. Now I am going to freeze the film right here, so I can fill in these details, and you won't see what I'm filling in to obviously protect security on that, and then I'll see you once we have moved on to the next screen. Just one point to make: the table prefix is defaulted as WP, which obviously everybody, well, many people just leave. It has been suggested to me, and in my installations I have changed this to something random, so that basically it's much harder for hackers to know where your data is held, because they won't find tables beginning with WP, which they'll be expecting for a WordPress blog, but rather something random, which makes it much more difficult for them. So I will again be putting something random in there rather than WP. So just some random letters and numbers are fine, with an underscore at the end, as you can see. So do that yourself. Okay, so I entered the detail, hit submit. I've now got to this screen saying I've made it through to this part of the installation. It's now going to continue with the rest of the installation. So let's hit the run the install button, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so welcome to the 5-minute process. So we need to give it a site title. Now all of this can be changed later, so just fill it in. We're going to call it Vibrant Health. We can leave the user ID as admin, or you can put your name. I need to do a password, so Again, I'm going to protect that and fill in an email. We do obviously want search engines to index this site, so we will allow that. So I'm going to again pause, fill this in and hit install WordPress, and I'll see you on the next screen. Right, so I filled in the details and password, and basically it's come back with success. WordPress installed, and I can now log in and start the initial setup of the WordPress system. So I'm going to make that a new video, and we'll stop there.